My name is Kayla Garces and I'm a senior. I hate pizza, I'm allergic to bunnies, I love sushi.
I'm Morgan Hawks and I'm in 11th grade. I play softball. I increased my average by 80 to 90 pins and I hate Taco Bell.
My name is Thomas Julie and I'm in 11th grade. I'm a black belt in MMA. It's my 3rd year on varsity and I have 2 cats.
My name is Rachel Crick and I'm a sophomore. I have an energy drink addiction. I have 5 dogs and I didn't cry yesterday.
I'm Ashley Riley, I'm in 10th grade. I have 3 dogs. This is my 1st year on varsity and I am a natural blonde, but I dye my hair brown. Probably Barnes & Nobles.
Taco Bell.
Probably Tilly's.
Hollister.
Probably Starbucks.
We go to my aunt's house and she makes a bunch of food because she specialized in culinary. It's always great.
We bowling on New Year's Eve.
Getting together with my family on Christmas Day and just opening gifts.
Hanging out with family on Christmas.
We all go to my grandma's house at like 1 o'clock and we all just open presents together, have a big dinner, big dessert, and we all talk since my family is humongous. We get together once a year. My dream career is to be a mechanic in the Air Force and be traveling eventually, like with planes.
I want to be a history teacher.
Something in engineering.
Working in the government or working for the FBI.
I would rather win the lottery because, like, why not? Just have money.
I'd rather be famous.
Probably win the lottery because then I would have a lot of money. I'd rather win the lottery because I don't want the attention of being famous.
Probably lottery.